Alright, so I'm making arroz con pollo. I put 5 cups of this rice right here. Then it's this one right over here. This is cilantro right here. It smells great. I'm gonna add it on now. Mix it in. It smells great. Okay. Now we're gonna add some of this all-purpose with pepper. Okay. Remember what I said? It makes it salty. Some pepper. This is cumin or comino. Alright, add it just a little bit, hopefully. Alright, I have a little package here. Okay. See? With cilantro and achote. That's what I added, cilantro before. Okay. Alright, it smells great. Okay, right now, the chicken that I seasoned, the whole chicken, is frying right here. See, it's been frying. Okay, let's get it better. See? So now, I add it over here, but first, I'm gonna move this around. Turn this off. Add the chicken to this. Put this pan right over here. Pass this over here. Okay. Now, this is a beer. It doesn't have to be this beer, but you make arroz con pollo with beer. And I don't drink. I don't like beer. But to cook, that's the only reason why I get beer. Alright. Okay. Get the beer. I'm supposed to at least put 9 cups of water in that rice. 9 to 8. So it's up to you. If you like it watery, add a little bit more. And if you don't, well, just add as much as you want. Or as much as you want to add in there. Okay, here's the first one. That's 1. 2. Okay, I ran out of beer. Now I use water. Okay. That's 2. Three. 4. 5. 6. I might need just a little bit more. 7. Okay, this I need that little bit of water in there. I'll show you why. Alright, this is food coloring. Okay, it's yellow food coloring. Alright, so what I do is open it up, pour some in here, a lot. because the rice is supposed to be yellow. Okay, that should be good enough. Okay. You don't want to dip your fingers in there to stir it, so please get a spoon or a fork. Okay. Get the sides off. Okay. See how yellow it gets? Alright, get some all over. Alright, get the spoon. Turn it on and mix. See how it tastes? It might need a little bit more salt. And basically that's about it. Okay, you let it boil until the water evaporates. Cover it up, turn it down, and usually in about an hour or so the food is done. And to be with that, I'm making this plantains, okay, some salad. The food will be done. Don't forget, I didn't put no oil in it, so right now I'm gonna add some olive oil into it. It's about maybe a teaspoon or a tablespoon. There we go. That's good enough. Because if you don't add nothing on there, you're gonna your rice is gonna stick together. Alright, so basically that's about it. And that's how you make arroz con pollo. Alright, well, get cooking. Goodbye.